Yes, hello dear parents. Maybe from last 2 to 3 months you are facing one problem regarding students' uniform. So we have one solution right now. So I want to share with you. Actually, now that uniform is available online also. So today in WhatsApp group we shared this link because you can use this and you find out your suitable size of your child's and you can order it online. So now one by one I share the step how we can use this one. You can go through it, you can use same, and you can order it your child's uniform. Okay, so now let's just begin. That step here. So in the first step in your WhatsApp group you can find that link we already sent, this one. Okay, here you can just see that will be a www.t10sports.com. So you can just first click on that website. It's open in your browser, mobile browser, like this. Okay, you can see here many things are showing. It means that will be a website. Okay, here you can go on that point, this site. Here you can find in the last label is what, login and register. You can click on that login and register. Here you can just see some fields are there. This one is for directly register. If you already registered, so then you can use, but right now we are the new users, so we can go on create an account, this link in the last, create an account field. So maybe one form is open here. Yeah, this one. So here you can write, you can enter your any mail id. Suppose I enter my mail id here, and you select one password. Suppose here I select one password here, like this. You can also select one password. Okay, like you can enter here, and then you can register yourself. Click on the register button. Here is showing your password is weak, so maybe you see that policy here. Maybe we can use something good word here. So maybe I will again try one more time any good password here. Okay, this one is my password. So here now you can see it's a good one. Now I just click on the register so that my registration is done. Maybe I register myself in that one. Okay, now again you can go in our same link on WhatsApp group. Now you can click on that link again. You can again come to on that same page like earlier we failed, this one. This one is a t10sports.com. Here again you can go with our same field, and you can click on that login page, or here to right already I login, that's why it's come directly. Otherwise you can log in by using your username and password. Okay, here you can see, here we have all these things. Maybe you can just write in search box. Here one search box is here, you can find it here anywhere. This one, here you can see, here you just write the name of our school here. One more time I will try. Yeah, Jaipuria Barwani. Okay, Jaipuria Barwani. So that in that one you can see all these things available here. Jaipuria Barwani. If you write Jaipuria, it's fine. All these things come related to this. Like one more time I will try here. Jaipuria. Maybe the spelling is not right, that's why. Otherwise you can write Jaipuria. So all these things come here. Match the products come here. Now you can see all these things available. The students trousers, then second one you can see the sweaters. Here apron is available, house uniform is available, trouser is available, jackets available, belt, that many things you can see. Socks also available here. Is cape is also available. Many things, it means whatever things we can use here, all these things available. Suppose I want to buy this house t-shirts. Here you can click on that house t-shirt. Maybe available in for all the houses. You can see here, you see all the colors are here. yellow, we have yellow house, green house, red house, blue house. Suppose I click on the yellow house, so one that same color appeared here on top. Okay, yeah, maybe you can check here. So for this one you can click on the color and you can just order it. Maybe here, campus ask it the name of campus, so you can select our Barwani group. Here is available. It's not available. Yeah, Barwani campus here. This one you can see Barwani campus. So select our campus here, Barwani campus. Okay, and then you can buy the size. Suppose your child measurement is 24, 26, whatever. If suppose 28 size, so you can click on 20 or 30 size, so you can click on 30 size. So maybe it's showing here 364 is the cost. You can add it, like add cart option. Maybe here quantity also mention 1 2 3 whatever here, like this one. Okay, so maybe it's directly in your cart. If you open here, here you can see view the cart and you can check out. It means from here you can order it. Okay, like this one, it means you write your address and whatever things you can mention it, and you can order it easily. Maybe this cost you can fill it, you can see. Okay, so maybe 364 is the cost, and maybe some shipping fee is here, so you can order it. Maybe here you can place the order by, you can enter the amount here and place the order. Maybe I think it's helpful for you. One more time I will show you. If I'm starting again, you can log in. After that you can just see here in search button you can write Jaipuria. Okay, here I write Jaipuria. Everything is comes for our Jaipuria school. Here you can see everything is available. Okay, suppose right now if you want to click on that belt, you can click on belt as the range is available, how much is the cost. Click on that belt, school belt, and here you can easily select the size of your children and you can order it. Okay, by selecting here our campus, Barwani campus. Maybe it's clear to, I hope it's clear to all, and maybe if you are facing any problem, so you can anytime you can contact to me. Thank you, have a nice day.